Today's lesson is all about fractions. So here we have our unit bead, and I want you to imagine, here I'll bring it closer, that I were to press this unit bead down until it's flat, like a pancake or a disc. Its shape is different, but it's still going to have the same value. So we could imagine that it would then be shaped like this, like a flat disc. Okay? Now, if I take that flat disc and I break it into 2 equal parts, I still have the same amount, but now it's in 2 equal parts. What if I have back to my disc? This is the same size. And what if I take this and cut it like that? Now I have 2 parts. When I put them together, they have the same value as my original red disc. But the pieces are not equal. If this were a piece of cherry pie and this were the other piece, I would feel really bad if I got that one. So whenever we're talking about fractions, we always want to be talking about units that have been divided into equal parts, just like this one. So there's 2 equal parts. And that's fair, because if this were a cherry pie, it wouldn't matter which piece I got, I would still feel happy about it, and it would feel fair. Now, each of these pieces, each of these fractions, have a name, just like you and I have a name. And we don't just have one name, because sometimes people have the same first name. We also have what's called a family name or a last name to help tell us apart. So our fractions also have a name or have names. So of course this one we already saw, and that is our 1. You can also call it 1 whole or 1 unit. And this fraction family we already met. These are called halves. And if we take just one of them is half. Okay, let's keep going. Our next fraction family is thirds. Okay, and we can see that it's been divided up into 3 equal parts. Let's do a few more. Do you know this one? It's divided into 4 equal parts. Yep, looks fair. These are the fourths family. Okay, how about this one? These are the fifths. Okay, let's keep going. Next we have the sixth, and those are divided into 6 equal parts. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the sevenths, divided into 7 equal parts. How about this one? Let's count. 8 equal pieces. Those are the eighths family. And let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the ninths. And the last one. Go ahead and count up the pieces. That is the tenths family. All right. So now that we know our family names of our fractions, we can tell them apart when we're talking about them. All right. And that is how we name our fractions. Now, of course, there are fractions bigger than tenths as long as they are equal parts, but we're going to stop there for today. See you next time.